enfants, nage pour toi ma chérie. Allez, ils sont là, on y va, on traverse la Manche, ils donnent tout ce qu'on a. Allez, et Ruby. Wouh, Ruby. Ok. Allez, on pose très très fort à toi. Allez les enfants, on nage. Et Mommy, on nage. Et on n'arrête jamais tant qu'on voit pas la France.
Like lifting my arms up.
Yeah! Just put all our stuff in one of these trolleys. Are you putting your clothes that you're putting back on in that?
Yeah, it's all going here, I think.
Yeah.
Just get morning.
I'm not, no.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Have a great swim.
Thank you so much. Have a good day, everybody.
On the platform!
Bye.
He's waiting!
She's not impressed. Tell me when. I'll go that way when you tell me.
Yeah, go on then.
Go on then!
Okay, bye.
Go on, Amy! Woohoo! In the water! Fuelers out tonight. Good luck, baby! She's just had a brekkie, she's had maltodextrin and she didn't want the jelly babies. You can do this. You can.
I will.
Did the tea stay in?
Yeah, A bit, yeah.
That's good. Well done. Oh no. Oh. She's been sick quite a lot. She had a cup of tea before, and that I said, did that stay in? And that's the only thing she's not properly thrown up. Yes, she's had water and banana then, and that's just come out. It's alright, it's alright. Little tag along. And there's a jelly. She's been swimming for 11 hours. And there is France. Check out that tanker. She's smashing it. And she's having fruit sugar donated to us by Tanya, the pilot, and she's got honey in there, and then in a little lunchbox I'm putting little snacks in like bananas and jaffa cakes, and she's keeping it all in. The second we give her a little sip, no matter how small, of maltodextrin, she throws everything up. There, she's got 2 jelly babies in this tub.
Oh look! I'm going to get copies of that one.
He's on Facebook Live. Woo! I think I'm driving. He'd be like, shit, she'll run me over. I've got a good shot, haven't I?
No way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Fine, okay.
The French one's going back to England.
There's some more in the food box if anyone else wants it.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo.
I'll be better when we go over there.
Yeah.
Wherever it is we're going.
Somewhere over there will do.
Oh, anywhere.
Anywhere, just you keep screaming. That'll do.
Thank you.
People on the bench. It's been about 21 minutes past 7 friends. Oh my god, you did it! Oh my god! Who throws up that much?
I thought it was game over a couple of times. That's Patrice up there.
You come back with the kids, you'll be able to go on the bench and be like, that's where I finished and we need to bench.
That's literally where I
Yeah.
finished.
Yeah.
I just thought it was never going to end, and then I just kept being sick with the whatever it was. My maltodextrin was obviously dodge.
Yeah. So then we gave you the same thing for ages and it worked, and then the last 2 times we give it you chucked it up. We gave you that fructose stuff. So it's like sugar, fruit sugar it's called.
That stopped working, didn't it?
Fruit sugar and honey, and you had it like 10 times.
I know,
with
it
no
went really
issues.
well. I was going to ask what it was.
And then yeah, the last couple of times we threw it up.
The thing, I'm just like so tired. I've got nothing in my body because it's all gone.
Yeah.
It's plain right now, but I'm so happy.
Good.
Thank you. Thanks, Tanya. I'm coming in a minute.
I'll go up there where you get changed.
Oh, thank you. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
I will never doubt myself ever again.
Never.
Not one single time.
Oh,
I love you all.
oh my god.
Thanks, mate. You were absolutely amazing.